top of the morning, USA. There have been many reports of a wizard flying around and making Peoples' heads explode. But he wasn't always an evil wizard. He used to be a good wizard. Was a teacher who liked to play D&D. But he snapped after hearing 67 too many times. He was a science teacher, and if you are found by him, he will ask you a science question, and if you do not know the answer or say the wrong answer, you lose your head. And if you say 67 around him, he will lift you up into the air and break each bone in your body one by one until you die. There is a way to buy yourself time to escape. You need to have a 30-piece chicken nugget with lime ranch and a kookaburra. It will not buy you much time, but hopefully enough to escape. There have already been 2,300 plus deaths within the past hour. If you ever see a man flying with a blue shirt, tan pants, a purple wizard hat, and cape, run away immediately. That is the evil wizard. If you see him with someone in a chair, run away, quietly, and do not make a noise. Do not try to help, you will only risk yourself. He is very dangerous and should be avoided. Áreas to avoid. Stay away from red areas. This warehouse been seen. Stay alert and stay safe. God bless America. God bless have mercy on us all.